Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically write dates in Excel. So for me to do that, I'm just going to have to open up a new Excel file. So head over to the top left corner and I'm going to click on New and I'm going to click on Blank Workbook. So it takes me to this blank workbook. So how do you automatically write dates in Excel? So let's say here, I'm going to put number 1 and in this space, I'm going to add the date. So let's say 12th of May 2024. So over here, where I have this 1, I'm going to have to stretch it so that the numbers can be included. So what do? I'm just going to click on that box, and after clicking on that box, I'm going to head over to the Home tab, which is right here at the top corner. So in here, I'm going to head over to this Fill section and click on Fill. So here you have Fill Up, Fill Left, Series, Justify, and Flash Fill. So we're going to click on Series. So for this series, I'm going to click on Columns, and Columns, I'm going to check the value. So value, let's say 1 to stop value should be 30. So I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see, my numbers have been added from 1 to 30. So let's say I want to autofill, that automatically write this date. I'm just going to have to click on the date, and here we have this extension here, that drag. So I'm going to drag this to where I have 30 and release it. As you can see that this has been updated. Oh, I really do not know why this is just, look at it, it has been updated, but it looks like it's not showing the right thing. And click on the box, you see it, but then it's just giving this ash kind of stuff that is seeming super annoying. So I'm just going to go undo and undo this and also undo that. Let's say I want to delete this. So I have this and I'm going to delete this as well. So these are my numbers, and okay, that's a lot of numbers. So let me go to another column and add 1. And in this column, I'm going to go to Fill, Series. So here you have linear growth date. I'm going to click on autofill. Okay, this is autofill, so I'm just going to click on date here. 1 to 30. So here, let's say June. So I'm going to drag. All right, so I don't know why this is just behaving this way, but you can just try it and see that it works with you. You can just try it and see if it's going to be completed that way. But as you can see, if you click on the column, what you're going to see is the date itself, but inside the column just has this ash thing that is making it look really annoying. So double click, so we have the option to double click, and then it just comes up there for you. So now you can see everything has been added now. So how do we solve that? We just double click. So just if you see the ash thing, go ahead and double click, and once you double click, you're going to see that it's going to be added there for you. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can automatically write dates in Excel. So you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.